Hi, my name is Serwaish. Today I will be showing how we can get started in dynamic programming, as this is a major skill set required to get a coding-based job. So dynamic programming is a problem-solving technique used in computer science and mathematics to solve complex problems by breaking them down into overlapping subproblems and solving them in a systematic manner. It is particularly useful for optimization problems where the goal is to find the best solution among a set of possible solutions. Now let's learn this in easy manner. There are many websites to practice dynamic programming. I am using LeetCode platform. There are many topic-based problem categories. These questions are sometimes directly asked in interviews. Here is our first problem. First step to solve the problem is to correctly understand the problem. In this problem, we have to count number of ones in binary representation of a given number n. Now let's try to figure out the solution. To keep this video short, here I have already made solution. Let's go through this code and understand. Firstly, we have our variable n. Don't need to give this while submitting our code, as n is already defined in the code and values for n will be specified at the test case. We will come back at test case later in this video. Raise is the empty list to store the solution that will be appended to it after completion of loop. This for loop runs for I from 1 to n plus 1. This line is the most important line of the code as all the logics are applied in this line. Let's start from bin function. This function is used to convert a number into a binary string. Here is how this function works. It presents the binary representation of a given number with 0b in prefix. Now to eliminate 0b from prefix, we start from index 2 of the string. Count function will count the specified string in the parse string. In this case our parse string will be 10 after eliminating 0b. Print raise will print raise list after all appends made to it. Now let's run this file and generate the result which we will compare to the test cases given in LeetCode website. Now copy the necessary parts of the code that we need for submission and paste into the code editor of the problem. Check for the indentations carefully. These are the test cases. Test cases are used to check whether our code is producing required output or not. Test cases fails, that means our code has some error what need to be fixed. Now let's run this code and check out the results. This code is producing error because of the print statement in last line. As this is a dynamic program with solution inside a class, we need to use return function instead of print statements. Now if we run this code it gives no error. Now we can submit this code. We can see that this code is successfully submitted. Also there are some stats given about the performance of our code in terms of runtime and memory usage. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and share with others.